Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the C14S mini drone from TIMEONIA, a quadcopter designed with both beginners and more experienced flyers in mind, whether they're kids or adults. This little drone packs some impressive features, especially considering its size and target audience. Right off the bat, one of the standout features is its camera. It boasts a 1080p camera with a 120-degree wide-angle lens. The description mentions dual cameras, but the focus is clearly on that 1080p main shooter, which is great for capturing clear aerial photos and videos. It even has a 50x zoom capability, which is quite interesting for a drone in this category, allowing users to get closer shots from a distance. Whether someone wants to record family gatherings from a new perspective or capture some scenic views, the camera seems capable of delivering decent HD footage. Flying this drone appears to be made easier and more fun thanks to its smart flight features. It includes gesture control, which lets users snap photos or start recording with simple hand movements. Headless mode is a fantastic addition for beginners, as it eliminates the need to worry about the drone's orientation. Altitude hold helps keep the drone stable at set height, making it easier to control and get steady shots. And for those looking for some aerial acrobatics, it can perform 360-degree flips with the push of a button. Perhaps the most significant feature for new pilots, and even flying indoors, is the 4-direction obstacle avoidance system. This is a feature often found on more expensive drones, so having it on a mini drone aimed at kids and beginners is a big plus. It helps prevent crashes by automatically detecting obstacles in front, behind, left, and right, making the flying experience much less stressful and more forgiving. The design of the C14S is also worth noting. It's built from durable plastic, which is described as crash-resistant. This is crucial for a drone that might be flown by less experienced pilots. Its foldable fuselage makes it incredibly portable, and it even comes with a carrying case, making it easy to take along on trips or to the park. This user-friendly design makes it a great gift option. Controlling the drone is done via an app, connecting through Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for real-time video transmission. This allows users to see what the drone sees live on their smartphone. The app also offers smart control features like drawing custom flight paths on the screen, which the drone will then follow. This adds another layer of fun and control to the flying experience. Battery life is always a key concern with drones, and the C14S comes with an 1,800 mAh battery, promising up to 20 minutes of flight time. While actual flight time can vary based on conditions and usage, 20 minutes is a respectable duration for a mini drone, allowing for extended flying sessions before needing to recharge. The complete package includes everything needed to get started: the drone itself, a remote controller, a screwdriver for maintenance, a battery, propeller guards for added safety, and that convenient carrying case. It seems like a well-rounded package for anyone looking to get into drones, whether for fun, photography, or just learning to fly. Overall, the TIMEONIA C14S mini drone appears to be a feature-rich option that balances ease of use with advanced capabilities like obstacle avoidance and a decent camera, making it appealing to a wide range of users.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.